Hello everyone. Standard Bank has apologized after clarifying that the controversial proof of payment for legal fees provided by EFF lawyers to AfriForum was legitimate and not fraudulent as suggested on social media this week. AfriForum topped social media chats on Friday after it published a statement accusing the EFF and Ian Levitt attorneys for falsifying the proof of payment notification. The accusation was apparently based on the fact that the bank statement's fine print contained outdated information. Standard Bank spokesperson Ross Lindstrom said on Saturday morning, Standard Bank confirms that the documentation circulating in the media, while on an outdated template, reflects genuine transactions which are not fraudulent. Standard Bank denies having confirmed that any proofs of payment in relation to transactions were doctored, and went on to say that the bank had initially sent an erroneous response to AfriForum stating the proof of payment document was fraudulent. He said the bank was conducting a probe into the inaccurate communication that was shared with AfriForum. He said, "We take this matter very seriously and apologize to the EFF, save for confirming that all the transactions queried by the AfriForum with Standard Bank are genuine." The EFF lawyer Ian Levitt told the Times Live publication that the EFF would pursue a legal action against AfriForum if it did not apologize. He said, "To include insinuations of my law firm being involved in doctoring documents has taken personal fights between our clients and AfriForum to a new level. AfriForum will pay heavily for this misinformation they are peddling on social media." AfriForum's Ernest Van Zyl said, "Standard Bank confirmed to us that there were issues with the documents. Our previous communication with Standard Bank is confirmed in their statement, where they state that their response to AfriForum's query was erroneous. We directed inquiries to the EFF about the origin of the payments and requested they send us proof of payment again directly from the bank. They refused." Standard Bank's statement today only confirmed that the transactions were real. AfriForum has never disputed that we received funds. We made it very clear that the funds are reflected. We will be conducting further investigations in the week ahead. We are now moving on to Xolani Khumalo. Xolani Khumalo has found a new home. The former Moja Love presenter, popularly known for his drug-busting show Sizokuthola, has joined hands with the city of Johannesburg to launch a new tactical unit to tackle crime within the metro. The MMC of Public Safety in the city, Dr. Mgcini Tswaku, on Friday launched the Johannesburg Metropolitan Police Department Tactical Reaction Unit and the Crime Prevention and Combating Unit to assist police in the fight against crime, drugs, and human trafficking. The launch took place at the Molutsane Sports Complex in Soweto on Friday when the unit was preparing to take the streets of Johannesburg. Addressing the crowd, Tswaku said the unit will fight fire with fire, adding that this was a strategic move to respond to persistent surge in the high-level and emerging crimes in the municipality. He said the unit had a necessary duty of addressing domestic violence as well as safeguarding the rights of women, children, and the elderly in the community. The unit is set to focus on all criminal threats from cash and transit heists to business robberies, hijackings, kidnappings, drugs, human trafficking, and illegal mining. The aim is to strengthen prevention measures and improve the capacities of crime fighters to investigate organized crimes in the city. Talking to the crowd, Khumalo expressed gratitude to the city for launching the initiative, saying that he was pleased and looked forward to the work being carried out in the streets. He said, "We are still fighting crime and it's a good thing that the JMPD is endorsing this initiative and we will continue to work. We will eradicate drugs, guns, and illicit goods as well as the expired food from the spaza shops."
Thank you for the voters.
However, Tswaku stressed the importance for members of the newly launched unit to be taken care of and be well paid to avoid discouragement and corruption. He urged the leadership of JMPD to pay the new officers well, stating that there should be no excuses when it comes to the part. He said, "You can't fight crime if you are unhappy. We need to look in terms of remuneration of our police officers. We must ensure that we stabilize that. We must sign the overtime If they want to go and fight crime and is for the noble cause, then we must be able to support that. Furthermore, he encouraged and called on public to work together with the force and not be influenced by political affiliations. He said the force was to protect civilians and should not exclude anyone because of their political affiliation. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.